For us, the Gulfood is an important annual event. We see a lot of opportunities in all angles. We see an opportunity to continue to grow in the Arabian Peninsula, North Africa, but also Sub-Saharan Africa shows us that we can do much more together with our partners.
This is where you meet all the supplier partners. We're looking at machines, we're re-looking at our ingredients, our packaging.
What a great pleasure it's been to be here at Gulfood 2021, and after 18 months of being locked away because of COVID, it's fantastic to be an event like this, which has got such a large attendance at the show as well, and great for us at Schneider Electric, being the digital and sustainability partner for the event, to be able to showcase what we can do to support the industry.
To have everyone come, meet face to face, see what's going on, what a perfect opportunity.